Welcome back to Titi's Garden. Today we'll be talking about hardening of our seedlings, your pepper seedlings, your tomato seedlings, any of your plants that you have started indoors. Remember, you cannot take them directly outside to transplant. These plants have been used to indoors and you need to harden them off before you put them out into the world. Remember, the atmosphere in the house indoors is different from what is outside. And if you take your plant directly outside, they might have the shock, they might react to it. And in the process, you might even lose your plant or it might also affect their growth. So the best thing, like a week before you do your transplant, remember to take your plant outside. You can start the first day, maybe the first day, 30 minutes. Take it back indoors. Let them adjust to that 30 minutes and leave them. Take them the next day, maybe for another 1 hour, and let them adjust. Take them back in when it's cold in the night. And finally, probably the third or the fourth day, you can leave them outside or leave them longer if you're not too sure about the temperature. If you know it's going to be too cold in the night, you can still continue to take them back indoors. If not, you can pull them in a shelf. Like what I use, I have the shelf that has a cover, so I can leave them in the shelf, pull up the zip when it's cold in the night. It's going to keep the atmosphere inside there warm, at least for this plant, until when I'm ready to do the final transplant outside. Until when I'm ready to take them finally outside into their permanent home. So this is what I do. Leave them overnight if you have this shelf with the cover on it, and they'll be okay. We don't want to lose all that we have been doing for the past 2 or 3 months indoors just in one night. So please take note of this before you do your transplant. Our plants are so fragile and they need to adjust over time before they can actually stay overnight in the night outdoors. I hope this has helped. Try it and don't forget to do the adding off before you transplant outside. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye now.